Guide of Teverun App. Welcome to Teverun e-scooter app. Simply register and log in with your email to start your smart ride. First, make sure to enable your phone's Bluetooth and location services to connect your scooter. In the home section, you can view real-time scooter status including speed, battery level, gear, motor condition, and usage status. Tap the top left icon to switch interfaces. You can choose your preferred display. Tap the top right icon to connect your scooter by searching for its unique ID number. After pressing the brake and engaging P, you can click the gear button to switch gears. The warning icon at the top indicates scooter faults. When lit, refer to the fault icon and code table for issues. In the settings section, you can customize your preferences. In smart mode, the traction control system can be activated to enable automatic switching between single drive and dual drive configurations. In advanced settings assist parameters, you can customize 3 gears by adjusting speed limits, EABS levels, starting speeds, and current for each gear to tailor your ride. Additionally, you can adjust the maximum speed, enable cruise to maintain speed without throttle input, kickstart for immediate takeoff without kicking, and safe mode to limit maximum speed. In LED settings, you can configure light color, brightness, and patterns, and you can use reset to restore factory defaults by selecting your scooter model. In the map section, you can track your scooter's real-time location, calculate the distance between you and the scooter, and also review the scooter's historical ride route with the map. You can also enter Google Maps for navigation, ensuring every ride is more efficient and convenient. In the battery section, you can monitor key data such as voltage, current, and temperature in real time, keeping you informed about the battery's performance. Our unique feature is the color-coded display for each cell status: green for normal, yellow for low battery, and red for faults. This helps you quickly assess the health of each cell, ensuring the battery operates safely and efficiently. In the My section, you can manage your account information, view Teverun company details, check your scooter information, locate your scooter, upgrade the system, troubleshoot via help and feedback, and select your preferred language. Thank you for your support of Teverun.